How can we solve this? Hello everyone, my name is Patrick, and let us work together to solve this problem. How many have heard of PEMDAS? We can use PEMDAS to help us solve this problem. The acronym PEMDAS is for Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, to help us remember it. Again, PEMDAS is Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. So P is for parentheses, E is for exponents, M is for multiplication, D is for division, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. This is the order of operations in math. Or P is for parentheses or grouping symbol. The grouping symbols are parentheses, brackets, and curly brackets. The convention is to begin with the innermost grouping symbol of order we see first, and E is for exponents or powers. As an example, like 2 to the third power, where PEMDAS is taught in most math classes in the United States. Again, PEMDAS is like, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We don't know what Aunt Sally did, but we are grateful for her contribution to math. When I was studying math back in the 1970s and 1980s, such as when I was in high school, I just got by in my math classes. Till I started college where I became interested in math. Learning from a good math teacher, this has inspired me to have an interest in math and improve my math skills. If we try to add just going from left to right for the operations, we will get the wrong answer. That is why PEMDAS is here to help us with solving this math problem. When we try to use PEMDAS, we see that there are no grouping symbols. Do we see any exponents or powers? No, we do not see any. So we can continue. What is our next step? Will it be multiplication? The rule of order of operations states that it will be multiplication or division, which we see first from left to right looking at the problem. Because of PEMDAS, some of you see the multiplication is the next operation, which is not always correct. We need to do the division first. Some people may think the next step is multiplication is first because M comes before D. That is why I try to highlight with the colors in the PEMDAS to show this point. So we look to the problem from left to right to do multiplication or division. The same rule applies for addition and subtraction. Whatever we see first from left to right in the problem, we do that first because of the rule of PEMDAS. Let me now ask you something. Please like and subscribe if you feel like you're learning from this video. I would greatly appreciate it, so you can help me to reach out to other people that I can help them as well. Let us continue. Using PEMDAS, we go back to the equation and begin with the division 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Now we go on to multiply where 4 times 6, which is 24. The problem is getting better. Now as we add 3 and 24 to get 27, finally we do 27 minus 2 to get the answer of 25. So we got the answer of 25. This is very important how we can solve problems like this. Please remember that the order of operations using PEMDAS. I hope that you found this video to be useful, and I hope that this is helpful for you. Math is a skill that takes time to improve. Thank you and have a nice day.